because they ask me for back statement on that.
Until
you reveal your wife to us, no back statement. If you want me to reveal the bank account to you, you are revealing her. If I by myself, see, I give that tomorrow. If I by myself go reveal this person, I pay that money, they give me this my pension.
Yeah, well, okay,
Ogun awadu gbege na yo. You know me very well. When you agbe like I want put that pain for your body. No be the one who start to tell me for his ass. I tell us, I say, this idiot, you don't agbe and I got the burden. Then nothing go happen. They go beat you and nothing go happen. Yeah, I go let you know say Nigeria is lawless country. I go let you know say this idiot so they give you lion so we be your wife so. Oh no. Like Mofina, you go run leave you when the time comes. Godfather can't use your head and your mama head. They swear say this wife when they call wife so you never born for another man. And he ask you. No.
Okay, on the city, if you don't see no cost, we never start saga here. Not get say.
I say now we are. A backup page, you know what I'm on. What done yo? What done yo? Also, why see more of the call me again? I beg you get why. I want let Godfather know say.
I swear, like useless.
I want let Godfather know say I survive more. I pass. Me so go weni. And if you don't take time, yeah, you be boyfriend. Even you have a video where Muri. You say you want to go find my mama.
Very useless.
Me my mother, Enogie. Godfather, you don't die for my hand. It's over. It can take time. See, may I show you as I take go find Zimbabwe for us. See, when we are telling him, we are not believing me. May I show you as I take go find Zimbabwe for us? Yeah, we. Okay. May I show you as I take go find Zimbabwe for us?
My pikin go carry mama for us.
When I were you,
mama is made for Europe.
The woman they call wife day 45.
I don't want the gift.
How old are you? You are just a small boy. You never reached 30 years. See how? See when I go find Zimbabwe for us. Only.
At this stage, not the hand
Only. Go and report anywhere. Yeah, way. You don't do arresting me. Lazy boy. I don't say me they kill you. I only agbe wow. But wow, mo agbe. I'm talking. They go beat you. That your wife not go fit do anything. I go let you know. Say you too small. You not send me Yahoo boy. You not send me Yahoo boy. When my me go in the Yahoo, because that's when me go in the Yahoo. They take baby up. Wait, if you not go marry a woman that is old enough to be your own mother. A woman that is old enough to be your mother. You're not even up to 30 years. As fast as they do to will pass you.
You never reach 30. Then you carry that small that.
You know years until you go father here.
Like he said 30. Like you carry that mama age mate.
Because all the fucking mama age mate. So I give me you know they look people they look. I love your sasso.
Surprise a boy now.
I love your the lucky tell you. Wait, be say man. As far as I go to beat you so or till I go see you is a wobo. I feel leave you sometimes. I'll do that say I don't know whether it exists.
And this because I make my husband block. I'm gonna send analyze to see the analyze.
Okay. Analyze.
Imagine.
But yesterday when I beat this guy, white money 5 times. On my Tony, on my begging lion you have your man. If you
want to see the fall, look your gifted point today.
Imagine.
You're supposed to shame. Every time I see your ranking, you know they did nothing less than 30 something for daily ranking.
Okay.
Sometimes they reach top 10. But now see, who you play game, they get you key.
See.
But see, the moment you start on mobilize, they know give me who fear you.
Imagine, analyze it. I want to make you block her. That blocking pain.
When I see this video, now I block her because you don't know anything about me.
I'm saying they analyze. I don't know what they analyze. This is how to analyze. Oh, go bridge.
You don't know nothing about me and Omobliss. You don't know nothing. This is how they carry the teddy. Ya imwa ene mamuwe e billion oro ya ka ya mu akwe billions billion we wale ya gae billion we billion comedy men who we ya ka mu ya imu ene ah we ya ma we wai e wani ni ya we we won ni eni we ya ma wa we you You where? Yeah, your boy you are now you kill. I'll let you know. Say don't tell where I touch John. Even that your girlfriend self, or you wake carry down. Me and my wife did this house together. Since me and my wife married, my wife never leave me for 3 hours. Except maybe already travel. You know, my wife never travel once. Now let me what they will come up for us. My wife.
My only travel passport.
Passport.
Call the next day.
You don't know what they do this woman for here.
You're the red light now.
Man, well.
Yeah, yes.
No, hello, my first wife.
Yes, although you gift.
Woman, where they okay?
Oh, also do you gift?
Woman, where they okay? You go marry for Nigeria.
See, it appears.
Even if say he still marry for Nigeria by mistake, you will go marry small rat. Who is Godfather? I want to know your strength. I'm not be Oscar. It tells Oscar come out. Yeah, tell me now, say me I come meet you now. Just tell me now tomorrow. Say see where you dey, I come meet you. What am I? Who will not get? See where they come meet you now. You make sure say you really did there. Alpha. Tell me now where who will get to you? Better they beat you. Don't they beat you? Don't they video me? I'll do a call with them. Don't they beat you?
You don't lack respect before.
Now let you know Papa and what they beat now. I beg anybody who girl live you know Papa because he say if Papa na.
Don't become upper big. Where for upper?
Where upper?
Big.
Where for upper? Oh yeah. Where talk on. Talk where you there for upper. Talk.
Where for upper?
Talk to me your upper.
Or wait for ring road.
No, give me your house address. Your house address. Not become upper. Go ahead, tell me, give me your house address.
Not become upper.
Write your house address for you. Your house address, your real one.
Oh, get down.
No go eh? Don't use me waka. Don't let me go pay people at the end because the one you beat you for me. That's it. Yeah, back me. I want to let you know so I will be your mate. I want to let you know say before you start to the shop Europe money, maybe we go name my worry. I know they eat Europe money since 2004. As I them said, now they go know how many years you go there. If me quit born, and for born picking like you, I not blame you. I blame you where? I not blame you. Oh, that's some movement boy. Oh, that's some movement boy. Man, were there. When I come to this TikTok, now I got a find my trouble, and at the end of the day, when I got to say I find trouble for this particular one, I will unfold this woman tomorrow. Now that one will first do you first. Make your math for day because you cannot. You know if they do saga. Me they analyze you now, they pay you, right? And they analyze you now, you could not take it. This is what you give to me.
Yeah.
This is what you have been giving to me. Yeah, where's the address? Where is the address? May I read that way? Where's the address? It will be the real address, oh. It will be the real address, oh. Not use me play, oh. Yeah, right now. Don't ask you shut up for me, I beg. 95 Wire Road. Which one be near Wire Road? Near Welfare Road. Which one be not near Welfare Road? No, tell me where you go there as at that particular time. Just look for place where you be say man. You know say you go there that place. They go beat the people where you want even put for there. Say me them. Yeah, we'll cause war for this those states. My will cause war. At the end of the day, you will be where do because of one beer. Then the feel of beat you go. You go make that slow me you pay. That's Nigeria for you. That's it. Why not buy ticket come meet me for Germany here? If for buy ticket come now, if they say me buy ticket go meet her. Ni me ticket ni me boy now. This idiot. A way for you. You're not telling me the right address. I know what to do to find you. Godfather, I want you to humiliate your mom. You cannot lie me. Your marriage shall be a blessing. Sticker marriage. Marriage to a single mother of 3 different baby fathers. A widow. A widow. Godfather can't swear tomorrow. Say your woman when they call your wife never felt buff on that man.
Jesus.
We not weak in we are muwa. Toto we don't weak.
We don't call.
My wife na my hand. Obome or say na doa momo. You might Toto we don't weak proof for us. Wabe wabo ala go gbe. Your boy like shame on you. You this sticker woman. You not see person follow for the whole of Germany.
Useless girl.
No, Godfather, red light. I'm ready to spend millions. for you. Godfather, that money with them and foundation.
When they spend money for small boy,
because any small thing, they always they pour for that money for foundation. Everyone like mafia. Everyone like mafia. I Godfather, where do you know your father? Godfather, do you know your father? Where you don't know your father? You see you're this picture, to be me. Yeah, I'll go the picture not larger. Anyhow, I think I don't care. But you see this woman picture. Anybody will feel submit because I don't put that for people want. Anybody will feel submit this Collins. His name is Collins. Collins.
Godfather.
Total weak because we're not weak in it. How can you follow till me? Your husband consider he said at the end of the day come
Godfather's why we talk here. Why am
Godfather? Woman will go talk go this side. They'll put sticker for you.
Because of TikTok.
Woman will go talk go this side. They'll put sticker here. If you don't say boy your papa way, post your wife this night now. From there, not be that your address where they say they give me fake address. If you not say you strong, post your wife.
Marriage should be a freedom marriage.
Me for not say you shall be do saga.
You know.
Collins. Now what better what big you are? If you not say you strong, post your wife. We'll start from there. Me no, there's no cockroach in my cupboard. Maybe post your own. Post her. I will meet you. I will teach you how to do saga. You see the way my wife take bounce on Goya. So you know Goya not my maybe rock by you. It is away. The advantage when I get now is me day job. You
come out and they come for her tomorrow. Me no worry.
I didn't. They even want to go you talk.
I suppose swear for this one.
The story when I hear the other time back where you say that now you know say all the saga when you get the saga they lie. You will feel you stick take cover your woman face. What do you want to defend? I said this woman here. If you know say not be 3 men born for 3 different father, may you remove the sticker now. Remove sticker most now. The boy your papa way. You will try remove sticker now. Me for no say oh. Not be lie, oh, now Godfather like this virgin, he go dual citizenship. He go give Godfather passport, he go say on it, now I go say, see the momo where they do that day. Yeah, why you suit in there, now the passport in your go. Godfather worry you, colleagues worry boy your go. I will snap, I will snap,
Only way I'm way boy.
Let's go to Lagos. A colleague now will clear the webo. What bell? You get up for nothing carry your contract. You get level. I'm making him wear like a way. Godfather, I may tell me when I wear. Now I shall what a woman they do for you. Prove me wrong anytime, any day now. When I get it, if you not say you trust your wife, post her.
The girl were red lighting.
Don't watch how you are.
Yeah. The girl also balance for lying. Although you gift to Godfather.
Lion. Although you gift to Godfather. No Godfather no go give you now. Agbofie.
Even see us.
You will not Agbo narrative talk. Where they tell me go work. I am a father of 5. Maybe.
Mega we your gbera. Where am I to?
Yeah, your gbera.
We je afia where you are. Je na.
No go ye na no we.
Boy.
No go ye. The woman where Godfather still married. So you na we gbera. Godfather, they had killer for us. The people that killed Enogie and Keke. Let be this one, so sister. These are the families that killed Ukeke and Enogie in Benin City. What did they tell me? Remember, we don't get information. You go post time, I be no post time. This is the people that killed Enogie and Ukeke.
The
families. So now I'm ashamed, say man, because if they see him, it go be danger.
Jesus.
I made this one saga way. If you dey drive, tire go pull for road. Alpha. Yes, your body wow. I'll let you know so you be rats. We made the say ye in 1998 last year. 1998. How old were you in 98? Sorry, 97. How old? May 17. How old were you? Yes, your body wow. Yeah, mujwe. You got mujwe. You when you have a good way. 24 latches. It says I don't catch it. That your short mama. You are zeni no tin you any.
No joga ya gbera.
No joga ya gbera ni. Wa mi ni awi you e. Ya ka mo wewe. E wo pa ya de ga friend. You know if na young girl you marry now. After the year say okay. Your marriage shall be a blessing. What should we call this one? Your marriage shall be a disaster.
Shall be a sticker.
This one go born for you. Oh no be anywhere. I got here.
Only sticker where they put angry sticker. Don't be angry sticker.
I think no.
Angry sticker.
You know what? Again, you call you. They say this girl ugly.
Angry stick cannot be full of angry.
They say very ugly thing. This is what I just say. Very ugly way we call you. You go for that angel. You pay your woman bread price. You know here that day when that EJ come our platform, when would they do boss game? We say I paid my woman's bread price in full. You pay a woman bread price. Not be the money where doesn't go to do a shower. Not be
your wife, your ashawo.
Not be you. The money you go the yak below carry bone there. Hey, not be go before I. This one pay our bread price now.
Now you pay for Godfather.
Collins. Now what better? Which work they do? Collins, tell me, what kind of work are you doing? Which work they do? Yes, no push. Wow. I mean, can't work by the you go the entire life. But Baron and my team, in the tail of the shop, you say, all everyone they wait all of now, and they beat all of now. All everyone they beat all of now A to Z. At the end of the day, when I go use me to shot, when I go get the view, after the saga, all of them will go back to the view.
Because like saga still talking for coming.
Yahoo semi boy we don't shop shit well. A boy like Yahoo.
Very useless boy.
I will don't worry tomorrow. I will come and tell you the story of Godfather.
If the polo monkey na go dey lucky, I don't know the polo monkey. O ma go dey for money. Allah drop on it.
People they confront her today for my platform. They defend your papa head. You want to defend yourself? You say no level, Abi? Okay.
Only block this bastard.
That's so easy for do.
Block this idiot.
I know.
This also.
I will say I know me. I dey like.
Oh, I hope.
Honey, I dey like. You can't block anyone. If I block you, wow. So no need for me to come go the block her for here again. Maybe if I use this one at defense, you got banner. You block it. You go. I go put the pain where I put for. Only you know. We make her the gratitude today. When you still know we live in the papa picture.
I screenshot at that time. Find my screenshot.
I need that.
Yeah, I screenshot at that time. Find my screenshot.
I don't want beating my mind again. Papa want you start to the beat. Either I was a yana. I was a yana. You only was a yana. Collins, now me and you for this TikTok. I'll let you know say you be baby. Now I'll carry you. Yeah, we be. No, so Zibwe called the game man. Why I find Zibwe Richards? But they tell her. That number 9 we the rest so. Don't worry. That way, you can your persona. Igamwe. Go report to your father can record it. You must come back. Almost to like down one. Don't worry. It might take days. It might take months. It might take anything. But I will beat you for that Nigeria. And nothing will happen. I will beat you and nothing will happen. Because now you find problem, come my side. And I will give you dose of problem. I will give you dose of problem. Why block a?
Block life for really. No work.
Easy.
Why they be say why block life?
Easy. Why block a?
Oh, yo.
If you got to here, I'm watching now. Oh, Ebola. What is it? Pay your egg was so now.
What to be here? But they are to have a all over the way who was all.
Nothing will happen. I said nothing will happen. Read my lips. Nothing will happen. No level. Yes, no level because now if I me, I want to defend person trouble. Now they defend my trouble. So now till tomorrow, I'm going to send you. That will be first daughter. They come from that one. That one on last issue. That one I'm going to be. Uromi deadly daughter. Uromi deadly daughter. That one will be the last fight. That one also might go wrong. River. Just don't worry.
I said the one the go hard way. Let the trust about it.
Okay.
Come on for good.
We block here.
If la person will be low shall like this, I must know.
Asia.
Anybody
that can give me this.
Oh, where we go?
300,000 for you. 300K. Anybody that can is 300k. Anybody that can see this is 300k.
Why you also Negbasha go the ring glati? Oh yeah, we go Godfather.
We went to way.
Yeah, we go Godfather.
Who put money for Godfather? Not be.
I be girl.
You put money for Godfather.
Please come back on 48. We see how they low. With you how they low.
Yes. Okay.
Il a concombre. Il va check your WhatsApp. Hey.
What?
Yes, yeah.
Janelle. No. This is an ear.
Yeah, no ear be
this one an ear.
Now you turn on, now you do one.
This one an ear. That person so na ear. Godfather go you. This one so. No. This guy. I beg if not this one we may post am. Wait. Allegedly oh. If na him, I beg you will they observe, you check out from
on the mess here.
Yes.
Oh boy. You know.
Nine.
Oh there.
Nine.
Udoe wati fu azai.
You know her.
Udoe wati fu azai.
Okay, this is what you guys will do for me tomorrow. I beg you, wanna do this verification for me. I beg, wanna do this verification for me because Ovio Rana, you only see me when you're away. So that you analyze me well. I'm a very wicked man. Wait. I know what to do to you. Wow.
On Facebook.
I see two different pictures. Wait, I see two different.
You get wale, can we Godfather? It's your time, my sister, God forbid. Uwo agbe. Amare na mokogo wa leke dia be kala do oyo kan lu mu yo wa saga we.
Okay, this one is motor number. Very nice. This one is car number. Okay. We're New York, huh? People there Europe, you want to follow that they do what they do for Europe. You go suffer. Any room. It's not the premier. Ni Zenyawa. You got Zenyawa. They give me more information. So the car number SG waiting. Okay, 984PQ. Very nice. Very nice. One thing left. This with the girl. The girl, please. People where I put this issue for her hand. If this is the girl we Godfather we go put money for Godfather head. Right. If I with the hand we go no. What the agua me no used to they still find the hand. I want to find and fed before I come for. To catch Godfather is a very easy thing for me. To catch Godfather is a very easy thing for me. I come off for road. I know the wife. If you send me the wife with video, because with video and I know AI.
When they find my WhatsApp, send me this picture quick, I beg. Send me this one. Now go your sister.
Why you be with?
Well, what's on now? My sister, twin sister.
Nah, do it now.
Send me.
Hello. Hello.
Send up from my you get this phone. Send up my WhatsApp now. Must look at this one.
Now you know. That's not for WhatsApp.
Send go your twin sister the children from my WhatsApp. You have your body have go here. This one still born for Igbo and black. Oh my goodness.
I beg you. Okay, one say now they gather. Oh, don't call my name, okay? No, this one won't be. That's what they say allegedly. Allegedly. Allegedly.
I suspect this girl.
The person so
Enogie. Why la your baba, my brother, your baba? You hear this question like your baba?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
I block your life.
Okay. Right now. You see this picture, so may I quickly talk about this picture. Godfather, I think say it's smart. You see this picture. You see this particular picture here. Disregard it. This is AI. Hello.
This guy go
hello.
That's how this guy woman.
Disregard this picture you are seeing.
Why is that deceived there?
This is just to deceive the gullible people, so that we're going to saga this one. This is not Colin's girlfriend. This is AI. Godfather don't pull for you don't pull it for trouser. This is AI. Okay? When I see the real one, I'm gonna know it. So guys, I'm gonna go with this hand, this hand, this hand. 300k for you. 300k for you. How you can use this person now? This person so check the tune. How can that face be in how can that face be in that body? Please, you people should send it to me. I need them badly. May you see the difference. So okay. Is it Godfather who put TikTok for her?
I give to Godfather.
Okay. You don't even they send me this, no problem. Brother, boy, I told you. Hello. Yeah. I don't comment. Okay. Yes, that one a golden queen. I know. That one my goddaughter friend. That be she. Okay. Wait, may I observe, wait. Ogun again like the Chris. No, this will not be him. This will not be still Godfather wife. This will not be still Godfather wife. Godfather just jammed the wrong person. This is not. This is just like somebody who tell and say, based on say they craze for TikTok. You say, I beg you. make I still do my thing now. This one they say here. This one they say here. I just they bring out the comments. I'm for no say me I smart well. So I still know when I see this girl, I go know her. So now till tomorrow, I don't put on for people one, but now till tomorrow, I need it. Give me just exactly this picture like this, and you got 300k from me. 300k from me. Yes. I want to teach this rat a lesson that I will never forget in the hurry. A plate number 1. You're mad. You're hungry. Mami ni way.
Where donation calculate.
Yes,
you don't imagine.
This is Lema. This is Lema. This is Lema. No problem. It's fine. Oh, they said the woman has 52 years.
Go learn about it. 40s it could be. 40s, low level 52.
And I say 52 ne.
Level
And I say 52 ne.
la 40s, low level 52, la 40s.
I will block this old flare. Alright, I know what to do. Me will not to stay here. Tomorrow is another day. Okay, guys. I love you all. Sweet dreams and bye for now. They come for you tomorrow. Tomorrow, I am well at the fear. I'll see the picture.